Movie night out for two, $50. 2 tanks of gas, $100. Dinner for two at a 5-star restaurant, $250. Great seats at the NFL or NBA game of your choice, $500. A weekend getaway for two to Las Vegas including airfare and hotel, $1,000. A 7-day Caribbean cruise for two, $2,500. A 100% carefree shopping spree, $5,000. Finally getting that Rolex watch you've always wanted, $10,000. An all-expense-paid vacation for two to Paris including spending money, $25,000. Taking delivery of your brand new luxury car, $75,000. Having your prepaid MasterCard company pick up the tab for everything, priceless. There are some things in life money can't buy. For everything else, there's the ZBlack Card MasterCard, the preferred card of people everywhere who desire the very best that life has to offer.